Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm one of the service advisors here at Romano Mazda. Today we're going to be discussing when to change your brakes. Okay, so here when you come in for your service and we do our multi-point inspection or we're doing a brake inspection for you, we're going to use this tool right here. Pretty straightforward. As you can see, when we're in the green, 10, 8 millimeters, we're doing great. Half-life, we like to consider about 6 or 5. 4, we might start recommending to you so that you can plan for the future, but once we're in the red, we know that we're not going to make it to our next service. Now let's go look inside and see how this works. We have our car here. We're going to get a quick measurement of the brakes here. We're going to go right through the caliper to the brake pad with our measurement tool, and as we go in, we can see that the 5 millimeter measurement fits nice and snugly there. So right now we are in the yellow, about halfway, but we have plenty of brake pad life here. Okay, so now we're going to get measurements in the back of this vehicle. We are in the red on these, and I'll show you what that looks like. We have 3 millimeters of pad life. Again, we're going right through the caliper, and as you can see, we are in the red. We would definitely be suggesting brakes at this point. Okay, thank you for going over that with us today, everyone. Of course, if you're hearing any grinding, dragging, having any brake pulsations, please give us a call here at Romano Mazda so we can schedule your brake inspection. Have a great one.